A boy is riding a horse. He has a hat on his head. A girl is riding a horse too. A boy is riding a bike. He has a basket on his bike. A girl is riding a bike too. She loves to ride her bike. A boy is in a boat. He has a life jacket on. A girl is in the boat too. A boy is riding a scooter. He has a helmet on his head. A girl is riding a scooter too. They like to ride together.